So I just washed my face. I'm going to put on some moisturizer. This is by CeraVe. And we're just prepping the base of the face. It's always good to make sure your face is nice and moisturized before you do your makeup. Even if you have oily skin, it's good to have a good base. So then I'm going to go in with a primer, which is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And I love this primer. It's really good. It's really affordable if you're just starting out. And if you don't know what a primer is basically extra protection for your skin. So it goes on as an additional barrier. For your skin. So the makeup actually sits on this complete smooth surface of a primer instead of sitting on your skin. So it goes and it smooths out your skin. It creates a nice barrier. So if you have, blemishes or bumps, it smooths out the surface and it makes the makeup adhere and stay longer and last longer on your skin. So I just use a little pea-sized amount to rub it in my hands and I apply it on my face. And you want to keep rubbing it in till it dissolves. And you can see that it's sticky. My face is sticky. That's how you know the primer is gripping, right? It is called Power Grip for a reason. So it's supposed to grip the makeup and keep your skin protected. Okay. Like I said, this is really affordable. It's about $7 to $14 depending where you are. So definitely, if you haven't tried it, if you haven't tried any other primers, this is a great starter primer.